Alright, this is the install for the XR Classic for the Airtag keepers. Just remove these 6 screws to take off the front bumper. Already loosened them a little bit. So you would just take the front bumper off, and then what you want to do is just to make more room, you want to remove the motor cable. So you just pull it out, just move it out of the way. And so if you're using the Airtag, all you would do is just line this up, orient it just like the shape of the Airtag, and then you just stick it in. Of course, you want to take that wrapper off. I just left it on there for now. But so you take the Airtag, this little gap here, you'd stick it in there, and just push it in. So this flange right here is what holds it in place. Once you're done, take your motor connector and plug it back in. Make sure that the O for Onewheel is facing up, so you know, and just stick it in, and then tighten the retaining clip, and that's it. And so it's very similar to the Samsung SmartTag2. You would just do the same thing, stick the SmartTag inside the holder, and you would just orient it in the same place. And that's basically the install. And this is only compatible with Airtag and SmartTag2 for now. Now, removal can be a little tricky. What you could do is you could get something like a spudger and pull out the keeper like that. Once you're done, then tighten everything back up.